smooth sailing tonight. Anything that you want from me, of the night. There ain't nothing but smooth sailing tonight. Anything that you want from me, of the night. Every single heartache will be kissed and loved away. And at my desire's night, the body will obey.
Guys, we have a bombshell sponsor. I would like to thank Unice Hair for sponsoring today's video. So guys, this is a gorgeous 7x5 Byebyeknots wig. So as you can see, you literally cannot see any of the knots on the parting of the wig. Guys, this is a 7x5 unit and it is gorgeous. The hair texture is beautiful. Now guys, you can wet this texture, but I'm not gonna do that because I do want to have some big, sexy, voluminous curls. This is just a gorgeous loose wave. So I'm gonna go in with my infamous bombshell curls and I'm gonna actually do more of like a wave. We're gonna be using this curling iron right here. But before we do that, I wanted to get into a few more specs about the wig. So as you guys saw in the intro, this unit is small head friendly, and that is because it does have the drawstring in the back, and that's always appreciated. So as you guys can see here, let me pull the hair up a little bit more. So as you guys can see here, you can adjust it more than just the combs. It also has the elastic band in the back, and then it has the combs on the side as well as an additional comb in the back of the unit, so you'll have that extra security that you need. Pretty sure if you wanted to wear this unit, you know, pulled up, you could, and that is because it does have that extra security on the back. And then there is no gapping at all. So I'm just going to take this little piece right here, pull it a little bit more. I'm probably gonna tie, let me see, maybe I'll tie mine in a knot to make this process just a little bit easier. I'm gonna tuck, yeah, there we go. So I just literally took the excess elastic from the drawstring and I tucked it in the wig, and it feels so secure. So look at that. So you can have a gorgeous updo, and then also when you pull the unit back, you see, like if the wind blows, you don't have to worry about, you know, anything flipping up. Y'all, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, girl, you could actually, if you wanted to, wear it back like this, like a updo. So you could do something like that. Now, because the lace on this unit is so fine and it is very, very transparent, what I'm gonna do is put just a little bit of concealer because we definitely wanna make sure that we're covering that lace. We wanna make sure we're covering the wig cap. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of concealer. That is my same complexion. So let me do that and then get into curling the unit.
Drifting on a memory. Ain't no place I'd rather be than with you. Yeah, loving you. Well. Day will make a way for night. All we'll need is candlelight and a song. Yeah, soft and long. Well, I wanna be living for the love.
All right, girls. So guys, these are the gorgeous, juicy curls. Now, you don't have to necessarily do your hair like this. You can take this straight out of the package and put it on and add just a little bit of conditioner and water. But for me, I wanted it to be big and voluminous and fluffy with lots of body. First of all, this is 24 inches and it does come past my waist. Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all, I feel so glamorous, girls. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Now, as far as the lace is concerned, guys, this is a glueless unit, as you can see. In fact, let me run the comb under it. Guys, this is a glueless unit. But what I would recommend, because I didn't use any adhesive or anything, I took a damp makeup sponge and I literally went into the lace with my damp makeup sponge and I just kind of pushed it in like this. And then I did it all the way around. So you can go in with a fluffy brush like this. What you want to do is take your powder, your bronzer, and your brush, and you want to apply it, but you want it to go back. So apply it on your unit, but apply it going this way. That way the lace is still laying really, really flat. Oh my gosh, I feel like a gorgeous golden bronze goddess. Oh, so you want to do that. And then you can also go in again just to kind of blend everything. You don't, oh my gosh, y'all, that's seamless, girl. So yeah, you don't want any of the lace to show. Very, very pretty. The lace is so beautiful and so fine. It looks so natural. The only thing I have under the lace is a nude stocking cap. It's actually like a HD lace stocking. Well, I'm sorry, a high definition stocking cap. So the stocking cap is actually pretty sheer, but because the quality of the lace is really, really good, you don't have to worry about the stocking cap or anything showing through it. And then another thing that I like about the unit is that the ear tab lays completely flat. This is a gorgeous wig. I think that this wig is beautiful for all occasions. It would make a beautiful date night wig, Valentine's Day wig. You could also wear this for the office. Also, this wig is small head friendly, and that's because it does have the drawstring in the back. Not sure if I mentioned that earlier, but I want to just drive the point home that for my first timers that's never had a wig before, this is the perfect wig, because literally the only thing you're gonna have to do is take it out of the package and put it on. And also you don't have to worry about if it's gonna fit your head or not, because the drawstring, it makes it suitable for all head sizes. I get a lot of messages from you girls with the tiny little heads like me, you know, just asking for recommendations on wigs that would be appropriate for your head size. This is going to be my wig that I recommend. In addition to that, the quality of it as well as the thickness, it is so thick and so full. Okay, I'm trying to keep my hands out of it, girl. What I am going to do is strongly encourage that you guys click the link in the description box below. Once you click the link, it is going to take you to Unice's website and you'll be able to purchase this exact wig. So guys, if Unice is gracious enough to offer us an additional discount code, I'll make sure that I leave that information below as well. You guys let me know if you have any intentions on purchasing this gorgeous wig. You let me know your thoughts and let me know if you love it as much as I do. And once again, I would like to thank Unice Hair for sponsoring today's video.